Welcome to a scientific exploration of biological regulation and the systems that govern our health. Today, we compare the traditional concept of the vital force with modern neuroendocrinology and neuroscience. This screenplay and direction are presented by Dr. Suneeth Mathew, focusing on biological reality. In homeopathy, the vital force is described as the central regulator that maintains the harmony of life. In modern science, we find this regulatory power within the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, or HPA axis. The HPA axis serves as the body's sophisticated command center, managing our response to internal and external stress. The hypothalamus acts as a sensor, monitoring the body's needs and initiating vital hormonal responses. The pituitary gland then translates these signals, directing the rest of the endocrine system to take action. Finally, the adrenals release hormones like cortisol, fine-tuning the body's energy and immune responses. This feedback loop maintains homeostasis, achieving the same equilibrium attributed to the vital force. Beyond the HPA axis, we must look at the limbic system, the emotional engine of the human brain. The limbic system processes our emotions and integrates them directly into our physical state. It provides the essential bridge between our cognitive thoughts and our tangible physical health. This complex interaction mirrors the holistic view that the mind and body operate as a single, unified system. Next, we examine memory circuits, which store our biological experiences and patterns of reaction. Our nervous system learns from every stressor, building a library of responses for future challenges. This biological memory dictates how we instinctively respond to our environment, much like homeopathic constitutional traits. When we synthesize these systems, we see a complex network that governs both our body and our mind. This physical network regulates our immunity, our metabolism, and even our emotional stability. By focusing on these observable mechanics, we move away from spiritual theories toward biological reality. The focus remains on the tangible, measurable interactions that define the human experience. Understanding these neural and hormonal axes brings scientific clarity to the concepts of holistic medicine. The vital force is not merely a philosophical idea, it is a description of an active physiological system. Through the HPA axis and the limbic system, we see how our biology maintains the spark of life. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the biological foundations of health. Screenplay and direction by Dr. Suneeth Mathew. Thank you for watching.